Hi, today we're going to be making a physics experiment about surface tension. My name is Cordova and I will be working on the theoretical explanation.
My name is Daniela and I will be working on the description.
I'm Gerardo Hernandez and I'll be working on the experiment.
I am Marisol Gamez and I'll be helping Emily with the theoretical explanation of the experiment.
The materials that we're going to need for this experiment are a container filled with water, dish soap, a spoon, 4 plastic bendable straws, cotton thread, and scissors.
So first, we're going to grab our container and we want to fill it up with water. Then we want to add detergent to it. Once we've added a decent amount of detergent, with our spoon, we're going to mix it together very well. Once we're done mixing the solution together, we want to grab our bendable straws and put them together to make a frame like this one. Also, we want to grab our thread and our scissors to cut a piece of thread and tie a knot together to make like a loop. Now, be sure to submerge completely into the solution, getting a good mix as well as the thread. Now, we will gently lift the frame up, grab the thread, and place it on the bubble. We are going to poke a hole in the middle of the thread, and voila.
Once we finished doing the experiment, we can observe some specific characteristics in the behavior of the thread. When we placed the cotton loop on the frame, it stayed on the top and it didn't fall through. After that, we popped the bubble inside the thread and it made a perfect circle. But why?
Surface tension is one of the many principles of fluid. This makes liquids able to support some weight on its surface. This occurs not because the object is less dense in the fluid, but due to the property of attraction of the liquid's molecules called cohesion. At the top, the molecules have more freedom. Therefore, they can bond with each other much better and form a stronger top layer.
If we gently put a needle on water, it will remain on top of the liquid until the strong bond is broken by a disturbance, making the needle sink.
Adding another substance to the water, such as soap, will make the bond between each water molecule weaker, causing surface tension to be at a lower rate. But in this experiment that we found online, we needed this soap to make a soapy solution for it to stick to the straw frame and be suspended in air. Water is too heavy for it to stick to the frame.
Even though the bond is weaker, the surface tension is still there and it is enough to support the thread. When we pop the bubble inside of the thread, the one on the outside will pull on due to the cohesion factor, forming a perfect circle with the cotton loop.